Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to sell Coinbase by crypto. A step-by-step tutorial designed to help you navigate the process with ease. To begin, you need to have a Coinbase account. If you don't have one, create an account and verify your identity. Once your account is set up, go to the Coinbase website or mobile app and sign in. After signing in, navigate to the dashboard where you will see the overview of your account. Click on the Sell button next to the cryptocurrency you want to sell. This could be Bitcoin, Ethereum, or any other cryptocurrency available on Coinbase. You will be prompted to select the payment method you want to use to receive the funds. Choose from options like bank transfer, PayPal, or debit card. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to sell and confirm the transaction. It is essential to note that selling cryptocurrency on Coinbase may incur fees. These fees vary depending on the payment method and the amount being sold. To avoid high fees, consider using a bank transfer as your payment method. Additionally, the price of cryptocurrency can be volatile, so it is crucial to keep an eye on the market trends before making a sale. You can use the Coinbase price chart to monitor the price of the cryptocurrency you want to sell. To get the best value for your cryptocurrency, consider selling during peak hours when the price is high. Also, be aware of the tax implications of selling cryptocurrency, as it may be subject to capital gains tax. In conclusion, selling Coinbase by crypto is a straightforward process that requires some basic knowledge of the platform and the cryptocurrency market. By following these steps and best practices, you can navigate the process with ease and get the best value for your cryptocurrency. Always keep in mind to stay informed about market trends and tax implications to make the most out of your cryptocurrency investment.